Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly 4 proven strategies to make ChatGPT sounds more human in 2025. So if you are using it for writing, replying, or automating your content, these tips will actually make your output feel more natural and relatable. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come at chatgpt.com and then log in into your account. So in our strategy, you need to basically add more context and personality to whichever prompt you are giving it. So instead of just saying write an email, you can write a friendly email as a small business owner thinking a loyal customer. Keep the tone warm but professional. So you need to be as detailed as possible. So this gives ChatGPT a role and emotional tone, which leads to more human sounding text. Now, the second strategy that I would recommend you doing is use follow up prompts. So after the first draft, you need to ask it some more questions like make this sound more conversational, or you can even add a touch of humor but keep it respectful. So layering the feedback helps refine the tone just like a real editor would do. You can even include natural imperfections, and this is our first strategy. It is perfect grammar sometimes feel robotic, so you can try typing this prompt over here, which is write this with a casual tone including minor contractions and everyday phrases. So things like kind of, a bit of, and honestly, making it sound more like how people really talk. In our fourth strategy, you can use real-time dialogues. So you can type this prompt that would say, write a back and forth dialogue between two co-workers discussing a new project idea using realistic language. So dialogues actually force the model to mimic human rhythm, tone, and reaction better than any plain paragraphs. So you can use these 4 strategies in order to get the best output from ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.